how to archive orders on Amazon app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Amazon on your browser. You can do it either on your mobile device or your laptop, but in case if you are doing it on your mobile device, turn your mobile device to desktop view, and for that just simply click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner. Then you would be able to see the option to convert it to desktop view. Simply click on it, and after that you can open up Amazon in the desktop view on your mobile device as well. So open up your Amazon account on your device. After that, go to the section of your orders on your Amazon account, then click on your orders, and right below your orders you would be able to find the option to archive. Since I have not placed any orders using this particular account, that's why it is not showing for me, but for you it will show you. Just simply click on it and you would be able to archive your orders, and this option is only available for the desktop versions. That's why it is quite necessary for you to access this particular feature using the desktop version. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.